Hello everyone, my name is Viral Patel and our project name is Solar Powered Bluetooth Embedded AgriBoard for plowing, seeding and grass cutting. From the last review, the suggestions were to complete the code and to explain the prototype of the hardware. The code is written in C language and the software used is CubeSuite Plus. The following 4 lines are header files, whereas include ALCD 64.c is a library file which is used globally. So after that, there are 4 variables which are globally declared for the motor driver, and, and the others are for seeding, plowing, and cutter. So there are 2 variables for seeding because to rotate the motor in 2 directions for opening and closing the motor. The for also for plowing it is up and down. So there are 2 variables for plowing and seeding too. But in cutter, the cutter revolves in only one direction, so only one variable is declared for cutting. And P1, that is ports are declared with respect to the seeding, with respect to the functions. Now coming up to function declaration, there are 6 function declarations which have been declared. So the first is to initialize the device. Coming up to that function definition, this is the definition of device int which will initialize the device. So we can see that all the variables are assigned as 0, which makes sure that it will be switched off at the starting point, and all the motors drivers or the motors are also initialized to 0 with some delay. Later on, ALCD initialize that is used to turn on the LCD with some delay, and it is 16 cross 2 LCD. So in first line ALCD message, it shows that it will give a signal of agriculture robot, and later on Bluetooth, the 249 line defines that Bluetooth will turn on and send the message as BT at the rate, and with some delay. Coming up to next function declaration, that is robot off, which defines that the microcontroller will be turned off and all the functions will be disabled. Coming up to third function declaration, that is forward LR, which enables the robot to move in the left and right direction with respect to forward, and rotate L means it will enable the robot to move in left direction. Rotate R will enable the robot to move in right direction, whereas in reverse LR the robot will be able to move backwards with the left and right functions. Now coming up to main function, there are 2 variables I and j that are declared, which will be used as rows and steps. Now uh, in main function, the device will be initialized, and also the robot will check whether it's moving left, right, rotate, left and right. Also the reverse functions will be checked, and also the cutting will be cutting it, whether the cutter is working or not, whether the plowing machine is working or not, whether the seeding is done or not, whether it's opening or close. The functions will work. Now ALCD command 0x01, which means that it will clear the display of the screen of the LCD, and with after some delay of like 0.5 seconds, it will send a message of waiting command. Now here it is RX flag 0. Now we can give the Bluetooth will give command to the microcontroller. Now while when we get into the while loop, here we can see that it is Rx flag is equals to 1, which means that whether the whether the user has sent the function to the microcontroller or not. If not, then it will detect, or it will get out of the loop, and simply the function will disabled. Now here the ALCD message shows C, S or P, which means cutting, seeding or plowing. Now and with some delay. Later on, if function is initiated, which says that if Rx data is equals to C, which means it is cutting. So the steps and cycles are declared, and ALCD message will show cutting with for loop inside, and in for loop cutter 1 is equals to it is cutting. When cutter 1 is equals to 0, it shows that the cutting machine is off. Same as in seeding, the 1 stands for close and 0 stands for open. So when the seeding is equals to 0, the seeding machine is seed dispenser is open, whereas when it is 1, the seed dispenser is closed. Simultaneously, in plowing also, when the plowing 1 is equals to 1, the plowing machine will be moved downwards, and when it is equals to 0, it will be moved upwards. And also during this process, the agribot will be controlled by the user using the Bluetooth app. So to run the code, there is an option called build project. When we click on this build project, a hex file is created, which is then inserted into a software named Renesas Flash Controller. As we can see in this, there are zero errors, and the success, it shows one project has been created, and there is a hex file created in the name of Agri Robot, and to insert this hex file into the my Renesas microcontroller, we have one more software named Renesas Flash Controller. So coming up to Renesas Flash Programmer, here in file we have an option called new project, where we create a new project, and the microcontroller is selected as RL78, and project name is given as AgriBot, and for communication we choose COM port, and later on we need to connect to this later on we need to connect it to the microcontroller. We need to insert the hex file which was Agri Robot in over here, and we need to start so we can debug the when we can insert the code into the microcontroller.
Hello everyone, my name is Ramit and I am going to explain the block diagram and the design of the AgriBot. So in the block diagram we have Renesas microcontroller, which is a 64 pin microcontroller and has an upper edge over 8051 Arduino and Raspberry Pi. It can perform more functions, so that is why we are using the Renesas 64 pin microcontroller. The next will be the Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module is used for receiving the commands from the user using an app, a Bluetooth app. Next is LCD. The LCD is used to show or to display what the function is being conducted by the robot, that is plowing, sowing or seeding, etc. L239D is a motor driver which is used to drive the motors. So we have used one L293D for 4 wheels, because one motor driver can drive 4 motors at a time. Second is used for seeding and plant cutting. We have used a relay for plowing because it requires more power and the relay is perfect for match. Okay, so next I'll explain the mechanical design. In mechanical design we have a body which is made up of carbon fiber. It is lightweight and strong, so it is a good match for agriculture purposes, because it will be hard and tough. It will have 4 wheels on the 4 sides. This will be plowing machine which is used for plowing purpose. The next will be the seeding valve or seeding dispenser. In the front we will have a plant cutter or weed cutter which will remove the unwanted plants. We will have a battery below the plant cutter which will drive the agriculture robot, and next we will have a solar power panel on the top of the robot. Next is interfacing of Bluetooth with Renesas controller. In the interfacing of Bluetooth, we will have both the receiver and transfer pin in both the module. So we will connect as shown in the diagram. The Bluetooth will receive the command from the user and will transfer those commands to the controller. These commands, which will be in the controller, will be then transferred by the R5F100LE controller to the L3D90 motor driver. This motor driver will then convert these commands and then drive the given motors which are connected to it. Thank you, ma'am.